In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error HILLCAT in Call of Duty Warzone and Modern Warfare. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here, and actually you want to go to your internet. So first thing, go to your internet and right click, go to settings. Here you want to go down, go to your internet as you can see here, and then go down to where it says DNS. Click edit, then click manual. Enable IPv4. Over here at DNS, type in 8.8.8.8. Then alternate DNS, type in 8.8.4.4. After that, click save. And then you can close this down. Now the next solution you can try is go to CMD, right click, run as administrator. Here you're gonna write 3 commands. So first, ipconfig/renew and press enter. ipconfig flush DNS. And last command, ipconfig/release. Now if this still doesn't fix your issue, then what you can do is go to your game in Steam. Actually, before going to Steam, you wanna go here and type in Steam here. Right click, open file location. Now here, you wanna make sure that you open Steam in compatibility mode. So right click on Steam, go to properties, go to compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode, and then disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Click apply and OK, and see if this fixes your issue. If you're still having issues, then your last resort is to just try to verify the files. So you can do this by right clicking on your game. So you would right click on Call of Duty and then go to properties, then go to installed files, and then verify integrity of game files. So if even this doesn't work, then you can just try to completely uninstall the game. So you can uninstall it by right clicking and then go to manage and then uninstall, and then you want to reinstall it. Just click install to reinstall it, and this should fix your issue.